I am David Fine, and this is Sex and Happiness.
You want to try again?
Hey, excuse me. Hi, are you that guy? Are we on TV right now?
Mademoiselle.
Hi.
It's all right. Cut.
I love your show.
Thanks a lot. Hola, ¿qué haces?
Praise be thou Adonai.
Amen. So, you two gonna kill us with suspense. When is the big day?
Oh, my God, how pretty she is.
Come on.
Who cares what's real?
Huh. I have to go. I'm gonna be late. I have kickboxing. Yeah. Thank you so much for dins. Bye. And you,
Me.
don't be late.
All right.
Bye-bye, sweetie. Mel, you and your big mouth.
Here on Atlantic Avenue, we're going to ask people, do they think there's a relationship between spicy food and sexual pleasure? Between spice and sex? Between sex and happiness?
Layla! Layla!
Oh, wow. Yeah,
Shalom. Salam. أعوذ بالله.
My dear eyes, I see you rich, nice, American. Oh, he love you so much. He be your husband. How many children? Oh, can't see. Oh, next time, inshallah.
Inshallah, mashallah, their eye is going too. Ow!
you like, salsa, spicy ethnic foods, right?
Seguro que yes.
How's your romantic life?
What do you mean?
How often do you have sex?
Papa, as often as I can, though.
Oh, no, come on average, on average.
Who's counting? I don't know, 5, 6, 7 times a week.
Miss, excuse me, I have a couple questions for you. How is your romantic life? How often do you have halal sex?
Sex?
See the music. Arms and hands dance. The body slow waves. Now hold back. That's it. No, don't smile. and leave the hip moves to the belly dancer.
But she gets all the tips.
Thousands murdered. In 1975, Dr. Kissinger had the CIA and Shah of Iran arm Kurds to fight Saddam. Then Kissinger engineered the infamous kiss between Saddam and the Shah of Iran, thereby abandoning these ancient people.
Dad, immigration.
Come in. Have a seat. Would you like some tea?
No, thank you. We don't have much time. Miss Malawi,
Malawi.
you've overstayed your artist visa by 52 days.
I'm applying for extension. I'm stateless.
Stateless.
She is my niece. All of her family was gassed by Saddam.
So it says here.
Miss Layla, come to this office tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. with your lawyer, Mr. Wong.
10 a.m. Sharp.
Look, I know what she's been through already. Don't quote me, but maybe she can marry an American citizen. But it has to be real. Real. They check in the middle of the night. Call me. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Hey, oh! reflex, buddy. Come on, let's go, let's go.
You know what my shrink said about the depression?
No.
He said it was a mother identity crisis.
I'm done. You little sex maniac.
Oh, no, not the condom.
Yes, the condom.
It's all a joke. I can't, I'm losing consciousness. What about, you said you were gonna get on the pill.
The pill? No, the pill messes up my metabolism. It slows down my reflexes. Look, you don't want kids? Appreciate the condom. Woo! Oh, Lord. That was good. Thank you. Good times.
No.
Don't. Stop it. Stop touching me! Okay? I'm super fertile, like twins fertile, so don't touch me anymore.
Hey, how about a,
No, honey, that's not till after we're married.
No, but all my married friends got blown before they got married. Now they don't get any. It's the other way. Blow me, and then later you don't have to do it.
You know what? You hate condoms so much. Why don't you get a vasectomy?
A vasectomy? Why don't you get a vasectomy? No, because you did your nose already, you did your tits.
Hey.
You could just get like a wombsectomy. What do you think?
A wombsectomy?
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Sex and Happiness. That's so funny. You know something? You're just a two-bit local yokel TV producer, okay? First, you slam the door on my Porsche. Then you come up here to jerk off on me. And how many times do I have to tell you stop using my goddamn toothbrush?
What? We're exchanging bodily fluids all night and I can't use your toothbrush?
Did I exchange bodily fluids with you? No, because I'm not exchanging bodily fluids until I'm married. Oh, now I'm mad. Yeah, that's it. Get out. Beat it. Go back to your artsy-fartsy village apartment. Oh, no, wait, boo-boo. I'm so sorry. It's just been a hell of a week. I'm so stressed out. It's New York stress. It's like, ah! You know? Yeah. But it's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. You come with me. Come on, baby. We're gonna get married. Come on. We can go to Los Angeles.
Sky.
Blue.
Cloud.
Rain.
Windshield wipers.
Doc, I'm gonna get out of here.
That's very funny. Look, David, it's been 6 years.
6 years, 9 months, I think.
David, I wish I could wave a magic wand and shake off your erratic erection dysfunction and condom phobia.
Vasectomy.
Vasectomy will not alter your psychosexual malcondition. Sure, you will enjoy sex without paranoia of your penis being strangled by condoms.
What's the problem?
What if one day you want kids?
No offense, Doc, but I hate kids. Thank you for your advice. That was great. We're seeing each other later, right? Except then I'm asking you the questions.
David, you know that. It's a no-brainer. Making love is God's gift. It's natural, it's healthy, it leads to happiness.
So this sex happiness factor, it may explain why we had no wars under Clinton, but 2 wars under the Bushes, 3 wars under the Bushes. Yes, yes.
Oh, I'd not go that far, but no. Well, actually, look at the smiling Bill Clinton versus the macho George Bush. Maybe we should oblige our leaders to eat spicy food and have great sex. Then maybe we shall have peace.
Shabash.
Shabash. You mentioned spicy food. Do you feel there's a correlation between spice and sex?
It appears that folks who eat more spicy food have more sex. Look at the whole steaming Asian continent.
You have any scientific proof?
What more proof do you need? How about Latin America, or Middle East, all hotbeds of spice and sex, billions of people and growing? How many of your viewers remember that Columbus discovered our America on a spice mission?
A 20-minute operation, only a local anesthetic. I simply snip these 2 vas deferens that carry sperm from the testicles.
That's it?
Yes, you still ejaculate, only the seminal fluid contains no sperm, and by 7 up by noon.
What about sexual desire?
Because the anxiety of producing unwanted kids is gone, often it magnifies sexual desire.
Really?
Yes. Why don't you ask Scott, your lawyer? Natural sex without condoms has changed his life. He's even stopped seeing shrinks.
Okay. I will do it.
David? David Ruby? Hi, how you doing? Somebody picking you up?
Yeah.
Good. Come on in.
C'est un scandale.
Still on EU time?
It's only been 3 years, hein? Oh, oui, oh. Hey, nice garçon, belle, hein? Oh, bien. Ça va? Oh, ok, bon, bah, ça. Allez, hop, c'est parti. Oh, non. Vasectomy. Self-mutilation. Illegal under Napoleon's code, huh?
Well, Napoleon never saw her.
Cœur a sa raison que la raison ne connaît pas. Pascal, our philosopher.
And when the cock rises, the brains fly away. Mel, my dad.
Pas mal.
Miss Layla, how are you? Can we ask you a couple questions? It's for TV. You'll get paid. I like chat. How are you? I'm good. My name is David.
My attorney said he could take care of all of Miss Layla's immigration woes if all goes accordingly, inshallah.
Thank you, inshallah.
Please, more tea.
No, I couldn't, thank you. I'm full. Thank you very much.
Rojbash. Salam.
Roshbash.
Salam.
Sorry.
Layla, please. I feel ill. Excuse me.
She's all right. I should go.
Oh, so soon?
It's getting late.
Oh, well, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Oh, I know. Remember this?
Oh, yeah, from the cabin.
Yeah, from the cabin.
First date, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Duh. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah, you can do that. Yeah. Hey, no, don't touch the hair. I'm tired. Let's forget it. It was a nice try, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ugh. baby's flogging a dead horse. Cutie. I think that this is something you should talk to your shrink about. Yeah.
Abby, any pretty girl, it's like they're Margaret Thatcher, right? The champ just drops dead. It's like flogging a dead horse, you know? Unless I fantasize about Layla and then...
Fantasy is vital for a happy marriage.
I'm not married.
I know. Just don't feel guilty.
And then, the goddamn Layla fantasies, they don't even last long, right? So I'm impotent, basically. At the same time, I'm falling in love with her. I don't know.
Love? Time's up. I'm sorry.
For me?
Yes, for you. Sorry. I see you next week.
Allez, merde. Hey, get me wet.
I bet your Layla is like Tara, huh? Like her girlfriend in Paris? Oh, every time she hose down her sex clean. She thought your toilet paper down there unromantic, dark age stuff.
Really?
Muslim women, they shower, they shave, they perfume their sex.
Fresh papaya.
Ah, no, mon ami. Fresh oyster, huh? You know what they call you guys using the toilet paper?
Civilized.
Try
Fingers
again.
of fire.
Bring in, no. Toilet paper people. Hey, where are we going?
We're gonna get a release from Layla.
Oh, right. You must show her she's the one. The only one, if you really want to lay Layla.
Lay Layla.
You know Layla and Majnun? Huh? Come on, give me that. What? Layla and Majnun. No? Majnun falls madly in love with Layla. Majnun can't have his beloved Layla. They are members of arch-rival tribes, of course.
Majnun?
Majnun means crazy. Fool. The guy sings love poems to his Layla day and night. Then they die.
I'm Jewish, she's Muslim. Of course we gotta die to get laid.
Bravo. You must show her you're crazy. About her. Do something romantic, crazy, spontaneous, adventurous.
Like what?
Oh, like what? Like what? You're not romantic. Forget it.
No, I could be romantic. You don't know. You don't know. I could be
Okay,
romantic.
D'accord. You're romantic? Okay. You see the ladder? Climb it. Tap on the window and declare, Ma chérie, Layla, I am your Majnun. My life is yours.
That's dumb. My life is yours. Give you my life. Sorry, Layla. I am your Majnun.
Mon chéri, Layla.
Majnun. Life. Layla.
CPR.
Oh.
Kiss of life.
Da!
climbing our house?
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have listened to my cameraman. He's French. But I just wanted to come and ask permission, so I could date Miss Layla.
Date?
He want to marry Layla?
He wants with your permission to know me, with honorable intention.
Alhamdulillah.
You guy on TV. Your name?
David. Yeah, no, I have a show, and it's about spice and love and other stuff. And you should Google me, I think.
Google? Hey, you are a guest. Nobody gonna Google you. What's your family name?
Oh, it's Fine, David Fine.
Fine. What religion?
Agnostic. It means that I don't know. Maybe there's a God, maybe there's not a God.
Why don't you convert to Islam and get rid of your maybe, maybe not? Huh?
No. I respect all religions, love religion, but I'm just here for a date.
Date. Mr. Fine.
Yeah.
The door. The door, out. Buy your date outside. Please.
Shame. Not our way to treat a guest.
He want free sex. She gonna put mud on our head marrying TV guy with no religion and have godless children? Over my god dead head.
Why don't we let Layla make nice young men Muslim?
Yes, why don't we? He's in love.
Love burns to smoke. She have 30 days before they deport her. She should marry Dr. Ahmad.
Oh.
Why don't you women mind your cooking and knitting? Eh?
We're in America now. Why don't you leave marriage to us and you do your businessing and talking and talking and talking?
Forgive me if the wounds of my people are so deep. I cannot feel the pain of others. Forgive me if I love you so much that it leaves no room in my heart.
Why don't you give the doctor a chance? Maybe. Stop dreaming. You don't have much time left.
هر دور برابون بیان هر دور برابون قسمت کاری کرد لیک جابون بیان لیک جابون کومل کن شدا دیل ملکن گوشه رشتی کلشلگن یا جیران چاوتن بیان جیران چاوتن.
Hi, how are you doing? Where are you going?
زلفر شکد بی کبد و بشکیان بی کبد و بش فرش تامان بت بدر تامان بت بدر لجیر هوری رش بیان لجیر هوری رش کومل 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 کم
You're a dancer.
I need money. I like to dance.
It's very artistic.
Thank you. But I bet you tip the belly dancer.
Sorry about the other night. I didn't get you in any trouble, did I?
No. Yes. Is it okay?
Oh, no, it hurts so bad. I get these seizures now. Shouldn't have hit me so hard. I think that you and I should have some casual cuddling. And we'll keep it a secret. We won't tell anybody. What do you think? No, I was just kidding. I was just kidding. We'll only be friends. That's it. But I think I'll have to take you sailing.
Sailing? I can't.
No, you can. It's just me and the wind that'll be doing the work.
I'm getting married.
You're not getting married. Does your family know about the dancing that's going on here?
You blackmailing me?
Bribing.
They think I'm attending nursing school.
Well, that's good, because I have these seizures now. I got a date with Layla.
Huh? Oh, take me with you.
No.
Oh, nee.
I need your... How do I get
Wait.
unfettered access to her pomegranates and the perfect garden?
The perfume garden. Okay. Try spicy food, wine, music, candlelight, tender caresses, baklava.
Opium. All right, cut. Look, this is not Côte d'Azur.
Côte d'Azur. Oh, Côte d'Azur.
This is New York City. It would be New Yorkers.
Voilà, New Yorker. Voilà. Ecstasy.
Ecstasy.
Ah, ouais.
All right, you're a lunatic.
How does it work?
Well, when we get out there, you're gonna pick a point on the compass, right in there, like 240, and then you just keep it straight on there.
How?
I'll show you in 1 second. You got it. Just put your hands here. And if you want to turn left, you just turn. The boat will turn to the port side. Turn right. The boat's going to turn right to the starboard side. It's kind of like driving a car, except just a little slower.
Okay, Captain.
I gotta. The wind's not. We gotta wait. It's jazz. The French, they go nuts for that stuff. You want any wine or beer?
Wine. This, jazz is, head music.
Oh, it's horrible. The French are crazy.
Maybe you can play this? I like music for here.
For here, okay. You? Oh, the French. Okay. It's beautiful. You'll have to, translate it for me.
It's like flamenco, no? You know Zeryab of Spain?
Zorba the Greek.
No, Zeryab the Kurd. He was a singer and a musician. He memorized thousands of songs in the 9th century or something, and then he fled from Baghdad to Andalusia.
Well, this is to Zorba the Kurd. Hi.
Bijian, to life.
Life is a dream, or is dream a life? Who was that? It's Freud. Isn't that incredible? The two most brilliant men of the 20th century, both Jews, Freud and Einstein. I mean, without Einstein, there'd be nothing. No Microsoft.
Microsoft. You know Khorasani from Iran?
No.
He invented algebra, your algebra. And the West replaced complicated Roman numerals with Muslim 0 and 1 digits 1,000 years before Einstein. No 0 and 1, no Microsoft.
Who told you that?
History. Your doctors and our scientists helped Europe come out of the Dark Ages into the Renaissance. And tasteless food changed into spicy food.
Your English is so good.
Thank you. I majored in English and theater at home.
Excuse me. Quit it. I'm all set.
What do I do?
Nothing. Just turn on the engine. You're doing good.
So did you invent sailing also?
No, but we did invent Hollywood and banking and the cross.
Oh, maybe you also invented Dr. Kissinger, who sold us to the Shah and Saddam.
Look, I like you. And you like me. So why don't we just hang out?
Hang out. I don't have time to hang out. If a man loves me, he marries me.
Marriage.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. I mean, look at the life. Look at how wonderful this is. It's amazing. We should just hug.
Are you all right? What's the matter with you? You
What?
drank too fast.
No. I am your master.
David, what's wrong with you?
What?
What is it?
Oh, that's... Here. Slap me.
Slap you?
Slap me.
Oh, okay. Quit slapping me. Go get coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee downstairs. Oh.
Here, David, here. Drink it slow. Slow.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh, coffee. You don't like preserve.
Are you watching where we're going? Look!
Now I am.
Hey! Hey!
Please.
Yeah. That's good.
What's it wrong? What is wrong? David, what's wrong? Right! Oh no!
Oh, that's good. Look at that color.
so pretty. Okay.
Help! 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 Move! David! Look where you're going!
Turn! Watch out!
You all right? Oh, you're so pretty with your breasts there. I just wanna...
No, open your mouth.
What?
Bismillah.
Oh, good, yeah.
Open your mouth. Are you all right?
Oh, yeah,
It's
no,
okay.
I'm fine.
Oh, no. Here. Wash your mouth. Wash.
What? Oh, that's nice.
Are you better?
Oh, that's nice, yeah.
Here. It's okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay.
We're fine. I'm fine. Oh, no, I'm gonna explode if I have one of these things.
I don't mean to kvetch, but that's coffee we brought from Yemen to Europe 400 years ago.
Really? Wow, Starbucks. I mean, without your coffee and our bagels, what would New York be?
Bagel. Why does it have a hole in the middle?
I don't know. I'm gonna ask the rabbi.
No, one wants to pay.
No. Each one fights to have the honor to pay. The Kurdish love to take everyone out, even strangers. I had a Kurdish friend who knifed his best friend to have the honor to pay.
You're kidding.
I'm kidding.
You're a funny girl.
We almost drowned back there.
I'm sorry about that. I don't usually get seasick. We can go sailing again. Next time, we'll sail to Florida.
Maybe. Life is short and fate is fickle.
Life is short and fate is fickle. You and I think we...
No. My fate is to marry Dr. Ahmed.
You're not gonna marry Dr. Ahmed.
Oh, you have to go. My uncle is coming.
Really?
Thank you. Very exciting.
Yeah, exciting.
This way, please. No.
Here, let me...
No. Please.
Dad, why are you walking like Charlie Chaplin?
Got hit. Playing golf. David. There's no flaming. It's Leia.
Layla.
Layla. A Sephardi from Persia? What? Oh, David. The Israeli kids got kippah. Shalom.
Shalom.
Kippah? Thank you. Would you take that?
Absolutely.
David, give me a hand, would you?
I can't clip this now.
Yeah, you got it.
I mean, it hurts it. You good?
I love to feel a kippah on my head in the morning.
You
Come
still
on.
got it, Dad.
I got
You
it.
still got it.
Shalom.
Hi, guys. Now,
Ah.
what's with the walk? David, you look so pale. Are you taking your vitamins? Hi.
Here we go. Absolutely.
Absolutely. Ooh, this is super urgent. Fax it to him now. Yeah, and call him to confirm he got it. Listen, would you make triple sure? This is very, very important. Absolutely. Seinfeld's $15 million for the Hamptons mansion.
Ma, Dad, I'm in love.
Oh, mwah, mwah. It's about time you and lovely Abby, absolutely.
Layla.
What? Leia, the Persian Sephardi from the Golan Heights.
Layla from Brooklyn.
Oh, and who says she's really kosher? Ha! You know, when we were in the ghettos, no one would touch us. And now everyone and his dog are taking Kabbalah.
Oh, sure. Even the Swazies.
Dad?
Well, look at Whoopi Goldberg. Where do you think she got her name?
What did I say about...
Let's go in. Come on.
I'm in love. I'm in love. You are in lust.
What?
Sweetheart, what's love got to do with marriage?
Who's saying anything about marriage? I just want you guys to meet.
Oh, and whose idea was it to meet us, huh? This Sephardi wants to hook you for the 2 greens, green back and green card. Absolutely.
I am getting takeout from Metzaluna. We are all going to your house, and you are going to meet her.
And Rachel, what? 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 Canceled.
Mom.
I know. Slow down. To hell with it. Already made my numbers for the goddamn year. Where's my cell?
Ma, lay back down.
Jesus. Okay. Invite your Leah, Lala, Layla.
A poem my mother used to tell me. The blind saw with the eyes of the deaf listened with the ears of the blind, the mute understood both by reading their lips, and together they smelled the flowers. You understand?
Love your differences and enjoy life.
A poem from Kurdistan. These are beautiful. White is my favorite. Smell.
You smell amazing. Is that what, rose perfume? Layla, I'm going nuts. I mean, this is like something out of a movie here. I am blinded by love, and you are the only thing I can see. Would you do me the pleasure of hanging out with me forever?
You want to marry me? Forever? Would you do me the honor of becoming Muslim?
No. Jesus, no. I'm crazy about you, but no, I'm agnostic. You gotta, I love you, but...
I love you too, but I don't want to be agnostic, and I don't want our kids to be that.
Look, you gotta let me be who I'm gonna be. You know, I'm not asking you to be agnostic or Jewish.
Didn't you say converting to Jewish is complicated?
Yep. Look, for 2,000 years, we were treated like lepers, right? Now everybody and their dog wants to become a Jew, so the rabbis have to tighten the screws a little bit, but you could easily become a Jew.
Didn't you say it takes a whole year of studies, and there are 1,613 laws of do's and don'ts, and then I have to jump into a pool with 3 rabbis? Suppose after a year they fail me.
What's the big deal?
I don't have a year, and I don't want to jump into a pool. You could be Muslim like that.
You're not even religious. You drink, you dance.
God doesn't prohibit wine or dancing as long as you do honest and you're good.
Fine. Then we'll do honest. We'll be good.
If you're my Majnun, my family must know I marry a peaceful Muslim.
They exist?
What?
Nothing.
It's very shiny. Must be expensive. I think a simple ring is better. Maybe we can, how you say, work out.
Work it out? Okay. We can work it out. This might help, actually. Another gift.
Layla. Layla.
Layla.
Right, that's what I said.
Layla.
Layla. Sounds Turkish. Muslim.
Layla means dark beauty or night in Hebrew and Arabic. It's a girl's name used all over the Middle East.
Okay, Professor Maimonides. So Layla must be a Sephardic Arab Jew.
As is a third of Israel. Right, Ma?
Sephardim are backwards, like Muslims, Meshuggah crazies, and their food. Ugh.
The Sephardim are the real descendants of the Hebrews.
Oh, really? Just so you know, young mind, unlike the Sephardim, we Ashkenazim are the true descendants of the desert tribes of Canaan. After 2,000 years, we became European. Now, we're Jewish American.
Look at yourself. You could be anything. Russian, Scandinavian, German.
Not German.
You want to have retarded, dark, frizzy Sephardic Jewish?
Salam. Sorry, the bell was broken.
Come in. Say hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello. This is for you.
Thank you.
For you.
Thank you. Oh, how lovely. So, how did you manage to escape Iran's anti-Semitic mullahs?
We crossed Turkey on foot. We paid Turkish soldiers.
Really?
One woman ran out of money and a Turkish commander raped her daughter.
What? I thought Turkey was friends with Israel. Didn't Israel help you guys?
It's tough for her to talk about.
Oh.
So, you're an artist.
Oh, we already have zillions of starving artists. Showbiz is like my real estate. Connections, connections, connections. What are you gonna do?
First, I have to get my green card.
Absolutely.
You know, you guys are victims of that PLO terrorism. And now, our Lincoln Center Jews, they want us to make peace with the PLO. Peace with snakes? Suicide.
Dad, what about the music?
If you treat Arabs badly, they love you. If you treat them nicely, they'll have you for dinner. No, and they're breeding 10 times faster than Israelis.
Maybe the Israelis should eat spicier food.
Muslims, I know, only have 2 or 3 children and are peaceful. Islam means to submit to peace.
Excuse me?
Sorry my parents lump you guys in with those terrorists.
Everyone is ignoring Kurds, treating us like dogs.
Why do you think that is?
Why? Because Turkey is suppressing its own 20 million Kurds. They want to destroy us like they did the Armenians. But America ignores it.
Here we go. Bad guys behind everything.
Turkey and Israel always...
Israel? Who is feeding you this anti-Semitic bullshit?
Please, stop. Stop!
All right.
Stop the car!
The car?
Stop! I don't want to marry someone whose parents are racist. You and I have no future. Thank you. Bye!
My parents? What about your... Hey, what about your family?
Hey, baby.
What's going on? I want you.
Go away!
Ooh, feisty. I love him like that.
Go-
Look at him.
go
She's so
over.
feisty.
Stop it.
Come on, baby.
Hey, give me my stuff. Ooh.
What are you doing?
Come on.
Oh, what are you doing?
I need police. I'm at 63rd and 5th. What, 3 minutes?
Go away!
Oh, are you scared?
Hey, welcome to Brooklyn. This is Sex and
that's
Happiness.
right.
Is this how you guys get laid on a Saturday night? What? Whoa! Hey, why don't you tell our TV audience your names?
Get this guy!
You want me?
You want to be on TV?
These women are weeping for their men. 182,000 men were taken and they were never seen again. 1 week before our wedding, they took my fiancé. After Saddam fell, they found his remains in a mass grave. And a poem I had given him was still in his pocket.
I'm really sorry.
Halabja, that's my hometown. See, that man is trying to save his son. They're like ghosts. No blood, no destruction.
This is poison gas?
I was with Peshmerga fighters in the mountains when the chemical rain came. And then my family. While they were eating, thousands were gassed in minutes. It was Nowruz, our first of spring. And the rain smelled like apples, so the children were running in the street saying, "Mama, apple. Mama, an apple." And then the sheep died, and the birds fell from the sky, and these children.
Did anyone come to help?
No. Saddam was then a friend of Washington.
Bush and his Arab oil buddies.
We got saved from a monster by the same people who supported him. And now my hometown is like Hiroshima. Hi, David. Oh, hi.
Smells like a chimney in here. Where's Monsieur Gawaz?
He's out on a shoot, Mom.
So, you sure our Abby can't come?
Abby's in Los Angeles with her brother.
Layla, we would like you to join us for our Passover dinner, if you're not busy dancing.
I don't know if I can.
She'd love to, Ma. That's great. Thank you so much for coming by. Mwah.
Oh.
Right, I'm gonna walk you out.
Bye.
No, I know.
Who's Abby?
Wanna go get some air?
Hello.
How you doing? What's that?
Bread. What?
I'll explain later. What's that?
Baklava and chocolate?
Oh no. No. Oh no. Perfect. We're good. All right.
Welcome.
well.
Welcome. And what is this? Oh. Oh. How sweet. Thank you. Please join us. You sit there.
May I wash my hands?
Sure. That way, on the far right.
Thank you, Mom.
Good. In the ancient words of Kiddush, we thank thee for this Pesach, this Passover.
All tyrannies are abominations. May the struggle of all who strive for liberty and equality be our struggle.
Amen.
Layla, this matzah is flatbread our people had to eat before it could rise to flee the Egyptians. We know what it is to suffer. The cruelty you've endured.
Yes, Mom.
All those who are hungry, join us in our abundance.
Woody, Q&A.
Mom, you promised we could be funny. Ma nishtana halayla. Hear your name? Lila? Ma nishtana halayla hazeh miko halelo.
Oh, my Arabic is not so good, but why is this night so strange?
My line. Why is this night different from other nights?
This night we eat food and matzah from Zabar's. Other nights we gulp down Chinese takeaway. Freedom from slavery.
Not so funny. Now, as our only actor, play the four sons, the wise, the wicked, etc., and make it snappy.
The wise. If a Muslim lies down with a Jew, she must not count on much sleep. Ouch. The wicked. We eat bitter herbs and insipid flatbread to remind us what our ancestors ate 3,000 years ago? Who cares? The simple. Mazot?
Ma, commercial break.
Mom, can I help you?
No, thank you. Why is she calling me Mom? Mom? I'm not her goddamn mother.
Shh. She is showing you respect.
Respect? You don't show respect to your mother by bringing a shiksa.
We are all from Abraham. Right? We have to share. Allah says...
Allah Shmala. Why can't she just learn something? Haroset is here.
Oh, you see this? You see this? When I was a kid, I thought a kid like me was bought for 2 zuzim with 2 pennies. But this kid is really just a goat.
Oh, I love goats. When you hold them, you have to hold them by the horn.
God, yeah. My father bought for 2 zuzim. Had God, yeah.
Then came the cat that ate the kid that father bought for 2 zuzim.
Had God, yeah.
Then came the dog who bit the cat that ate the kid that father bought for 2 zuzim.
Had God, yeah.
Do you repent?
Repent? I'm done with this guilt trip. Look, I am a man. I am a human being in love with another human being. Layla.
Keep up.
you ready to be Muslim?
Oh, Jesus. But I'll get you anything. I'll get you an American passport. But for Muhammad's sake, you gotta stop asking me to convert. Well, okay, look. Name one sane person who's converted to Islam.
Lots of people converted to Islam.
Name one.
Cat Stevens.
Cat Stevens. All right, well, inside he's still Stephen Katz.
And Muhammad Ali, your hero.
He doesn't count because he got hit too many times.
Well, maybe you have to be agnostic, but our kids must have a god.
Look, we're gonna be sailing around the world. We don't need the extra baggage.
Please, Majnun, talk to my uncle. We don't have a lot of time.
Promise me he's not gonna make me convert with a dagger.
Promise me you don't mention Israel. No Israel.
What's this?
Store, will you take me to it? I'm gonna make you a surprise with pomegranate.
I was engineer in Kurdistan. Each time we build bridge, Saddam, bomb, bomb, bomb. Now,
Talk.
oh. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. Oh, may I have?
Hey, ask me, why Israel throw you Christians and Muslims out of your homes and give them to settlers from Russia and Florida? Huh? Ask me.
Why?
Free real estate. Saddam did the same to our Kirkuk oil city. Yeah, replaced Kurds with Arab tribes. Hey, ask me, who saved Jerusalem from the barbarian crusaders who burned Jews in temples and Muslims in mosques? Eh? Ask me.
Arnold Schwarzenegger. Saladin. The noble Kurdish prince, Saladin. Who was his doctor? Ask me.
Whom?
Maimonides, Jewish doctor and philosopher.
So, 800 years ago, Salah al-Din made Jerusalem free for all religions. So why our president let Jerusalem be only Jewish capital?
Jerusalem was given to the Jews by God. Jerusalem. And then they were expelled in 2,000 years later.
2,000 years ago. Wait, why don't we all go back to where we come from and give our homes back to Indians? Because only 500 years ago, God gave this holy land to Native Americans.
Israel is the only democracy in the Middle East.
Turkey is supposedly a democracy, but they destroyed 4,000 of our villages. Oh, let's not discuss politics anymore, Uncle, or we'll spoil our guest dinner.
Yeah, see what diplomacy wife you get, huh? Why not make friends with the good Palestinians and together get rid of all the terrorists, huh? Ow!
Oh,
Ow!
sorry, oh, sorry.
Kebab?
Why is Manhattan not the Holy Land?
That's funny. You're funny. I bet you'd be big in Kurdistan. Stand-up comic, you know? No?
Stand up?
Nothing? I'll take you one day.
Please forgive my uncle. He's homesick. He thinks Kurdistan will not be free until Palestinians and Israelis make peace.
Oh, look, my car.
No.
Yeah.
Because I have your keys.
Where are my keys? You don't have my keys.
When we meet your parents, they know you convert to Islam?
Not yet.
Thank Allah you're not Jewish.
Thank you for saving Layla.
Why you not say before you're Jewish? Some of my best customers Jewish. Your last name, Fine, is Jewish name?
Fine used to be Feinstein. My grandparents shortened it because of prejudice. I'm willing to convert to Islam to marry Layla in peace.
Okay. We Kurds, we have no problems with Jewish.
What?
Imam. Ooh, Imam. He from Lebanon. Ariel Sharon destroyed their Beirut paradise. You go with Howard. Maybe Howard talk to Imam. Eh? Thank you for coming. Salam. Shalom. He want to be Muslim on the outside, but inside he always be Jewish.
Prophet Muhammad had 2 Jewish wives.
Don't mix Prophet's holy name. Praise him.
Nice man want to marry Layla. Allah's will.
If our Layla marry a Jew like you never be our family. Never.
We give Layla a beautiful Kurdish wedding. I spend all my money. Honor. Honor.
I'm in love.
I know. Me too. I so appreciate you.
What? You're so pretty. You know, and you're really smart.
Come on.
And you're strong and...
I know.
I'm in love.
I know, I get it, I dig it.
No, I'm in love with someone else.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear you. What?
I'm in love with someone else.
Oh. I'm sorry, that was a reflex. That was weird. Huh.
Hey, what are you walking like this?
Kickboxing.
What?
Abby won.
Well, you deserve it. Hashem chose you to be Jewish. Hashem gives you lovely Abby.
She's right, David. You need to make a choice. It's us or them.
What are you talking about?
I'll tell you this. You ignore us, you will be on your own forever. Come on, come on, come on.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allah.
Raise your finger. No, your index finger. Repeat. Ashhadu alla ilaha.
Ashhadu alla ilaha.
Lil Allah.
Lil Allah.
Wa anna.
Wa anna.
Muhammad Rasul Allah.
Muhammad Rasul Allah. That's it. No wonder there are billions of you guys.
You have to pray 5 times each day, beginning at dawn. And give 10% of your income to the poor.
Oh, wait, no one told me about that.
Oh, no one gives 10% anymore. You just kill a sheep and give the meat to the poor.
I'm just kidding.
We'll see you inside.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر السلام عليكم ورحمة الله السلام عليكم السلام
Excellent. And?
Oh, and every year in Ramadan, you go on a 30-day diet.
A fast, not a diet. Who was Muhammad's 12th wife?
I know the 10th and the 8th, they were Jewish captives, and their names were Zawariya and Zainab. And Zainab changed to Safiya, the pure.
Excellent. 12th wife was Maria of Egypt. And she was a gift. Excuse me?
Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me, I'm sorry.
What's going on?
David. David.
Oh, man, I can't do that. You don't know how much stress it is in a Jewish household. I'm trying to get out of one cage.
We all live in cages. Do you love Layla? She's new here. She needs this. Let's pay our respects and get the hell out of here. Then you build your own nest with Layla. Come on. God is generous.
Give me a moment.
Good. I have converted many good Christians. Only one changed his mind when I told him that he has to be circumcised.
Oh, no,
He's already circumcised. He's a Yahud.
Yahud? Yahudi? A'udhu billah. A'udhu billah. He wants to be Muslim only to enter this woman.
Allah Akbar, stop.
Look, this is one of the most respected translations of the Holy Quran. Written by a Jewish scholar, he converted and married a Muslim. David will give to the poor. To the mosque, he will be very, very generous.
فالخير فيما اختاره الله. Allahu Akbar. No, 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 no. You cannot touch before you sign عقد النكاح الشرعي. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
The Holy Quran says, لَكُمْ دِينُكُمْ وَلِيَ دِينٍ, which means you keep your religion, I keep mine. Now, I was quite a bit harsh on you earlier today, but it's okay now. We may proceed. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
Muslim?
As the Putz state, the Seikel gate in the road.
All right, well, I am still Jewish in here.
Is this some kind of sick joke? David, what do we tell the Seinfelds?
Is this how you reward your parents, David? Huh? After all our efforts, after all your Torah studies, now wasted on a boy who gives up his Jewish heritage.
I'm not giving anything up. I have to pray to Allah a few times. Change my name to Dawood.
Dawood!
So now you can drive a cab like a zillion Mohammeds, huh? Hello. They don't even use toilet paper. They wash their goddamn tuchus with their hands, David.
Oh, so do Jacques Chirac and Monica Bellucci.
Monica. David, we are on the top. Wall Street, Washington, TV, Hollywood. Everyone and his goddamn trainer would kill to be Jewish. David.
Oh, Madonna. Whoopi Goldberg.
Madonna.
But not our David. Oh,
No.
no. Our David becomes a Dawood Arab.
Layla's a Kurd.
Kurd, Turk, Shmurd, bunch of Goyish Muslims who treat women badly. Oh, and hello. When you marry the whole family, the whole mishpucha.
Layla doesn't have a family, so.
You're marrying an orphan? Mel, are you waiting for the goddamn house to fall on you? Why don't you talk to him? Talk some sense to him.
I will.
David, what about your children? Our grandchildren?
Thou shalt not spill thy seed in vain. David, in case you're interested, there's 15 million of us against 1 billion of them. They're multiplying like rabbits, and you have to help them?
Haven't we talked about this? You know I don't want kids.
Hello. She's probably already pregnant. The whole congregation will know that our son has become a lost Jew who shows no respect for our suffering Jewish heritage.
Mom.
Rabbi Rabinovich.
Mama. We're American. What suffering? Let's stop the kvetching. I have fallen in love. You guys are invited to my Kurdish wedding.
Cheers. So, the doctor thinks that my brother is afflicted with the Oedipus complex.
Oh, Oedipus. Oedipus, Schmedipus. Who cares as long as he loves his mama?
Oh. Hey, Judith, what's wrong?
Hun, I don't even know how to tell you this. David's dancing Layla is not a Sephardic Jew. She's a... David is marrying a Muslim.
A Muslim? Are you joking? Tell me that you're joking.
Why? Why me? Oh! And how could this happen to you?
Oh, you know what? It's okay. I already knew.
Excuse me?
Yeah. You know, Judith, I like you. A lot. But David was never really my type.
Oh, Abby.
Yeah. See? It's okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Yeah. Now Layla has to deal with his vasectomy.
What?
It's just switched off. It can be reversed.
Switched off, switch it on again. How do I know you can be a man?
Look, honey, after we get married, I will switch it back. There's an 80-90% chance that it's going to work, and it'll be fine.
80% chance. No, I don't want to live with some 80% eunuch.
Eunuch.
Eunuch. I don't want my wedding night with some switched off 80% eunuch man.
Look, how was I supposed to know we were going to get married?
Didn't you say in the 10 Commandments lying is a big abomination?
Abomination.
Abomination. Lying is a big abomination in the Quran also. Abomination.
Hey, quit it.
I divorce you. I divorce you. I divorce you.
Layla. No, nothing. She is missing since yesterday.
Boat. Dear Eyes, read it.
اگر دل داری با تو بر آن بیت من دمک بو خینکا بوم اگر دل داری با تو اقربت من دمک بو سوتا بوم.
It means God is supreme, and love is as sweet as wine. But men, bulls. Jew, Kurd, Mongol, all men, all bulls, sons of bulls. So go dance around your bull.
Give him one of these for pain, as needed.
What about food?
Normal, but no alcohol, no caffeine, no spicy food. Sorry, I mean, no intimacy. For about a month.
A month?
All right, let's go, Majnun.
Oh.
It's all right. No more rabbis. No more rabbis.
Hello, Mr. Fine.
Yes.
Hey, hi, David.
Oh, good, good.
Welcome, welcome. Come in, come in. You are welcome anytime. You are family now.
Thank you.
Come, sit.
Oh. Hello, hello.
Sit, sit.
Yes, thank you. Okay. Ooh. Ah, the weapon of mass destruction in the shit house. That's good.
Just where he
That's good.
belongs. Ah, yeah.
Ah, I'm sorry. No Coke. It makes me burp.
Oh, Dad, this is Coke Classic. You'll like it.
Okay. Good. Mmm. I see. Well, beats Pepsi.
Yeah, we don't have liquor license. But we both have the same father, Ibrahim.
Abraham.
Yeah.
See those mountains? That's where our ancestors lived. They were Zoroastrians, and they raised sheep and vine and danced under one god for thousands of years.
Before Noah landed his ark on Kurdish mountains, eh? Hey, forgive me. Is David okay? Huh? Is his chromosomes turned back on? Yeah, we get grandchildren soon?
Yes, yes, sure, sure. It's just a routine reopening of the floodgates.
Okay.
David's loaded with chromosomes, sperm.
Dad, Dad.
You know, this is nice. Tel Aviv is loaded with Kurdish restaurants. Why can't we focus on what unites us, right? Shish kebab, wine, women.
Hey, does that mean that your good woman is going to come to the wedding for some shish kebab?
Well, now that we have the same chromosomes, maybe. But not if you bring up Palestine, right? No Palestine?
What's that?
Just a pinch.
Is that marijuana?
Let me go again. For the band.
Oh, then put more.
They play better.
Yeah, yeah.
Here they are.
Holy cow, you look great. You look wrong. Oh, and the Jersey crowd made it. Hey, Francois. How are you?
Mazel tov.
No, Zina. Zina, no. Zina. No.
Sorry. Sorry.
No, Mel. What are you doing? Ah!
Your wish is my command.
How about, you know?
No!
As soft as a baby's tush.
What happened, hon?
I've been dreaming of this night my whole life, and you use funny language. And your hands and your mouth smell of cumin.
It's your lamb. It's the cumin from your lamb.
Please go wash your hands and mouth 7 times.
No, you disrespect me. You call me bad names.
I won't! I'll respect you more! Much more, I swear! For our son's wedding!
Really? Remember, you swore.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's go, Mr. President.
Oh. Don't stop! I'll get it!
Okay, Mel.
Hello? What? Just a minute. Oh, Monica, it's for you.
Hello? Oh, Abby, hi, honey, gorgeous. How you doing? How was L.A.? Oh.
yours, sweetheart.
And then came the Holy One. Blessed be he who destroyed Death's angel, that slew the slaughterer, that slaughtered the ox, that drank the water, that quenched the fire, that burnt the stick, that beat the dog, that ate the cat, that ate the kid, that fathered bought the two Zuzam.
Truth, justice, and loving kindness are the enemies of slavery, tyranny, and oppression. Let's pray for Tibetans and Kurds.
And Palestinians?
And some Palestinians.
The weak may be overcome by the strong, but only for a while, for there are always new forces that crush the seemingly unconquerable.
Lashana haba b'Yerushalayim. Next year in Jerusalem.
Next year in Kurdistan, inshallah.
Inshallah, shminshallah. Let's see some dancing. Come on.
Yay!